Welcome back to Placements Nepal, the ultimate destination for job opportunities in Nepal. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Today we have an incredible job opportunity for all the talented Flutter developers out there. So let's dive right in. As a Flutter developer, your role will be vital in creating scalable and performant mobile applications. Here are some of the responsibilities you will undertake. Collaborate with cross-functional teams to analyze, design, and develop mobile applications using Flutter. Write clean, maintainable, and efficient code in Dart, following best practices and coding standards. Implement user interfaces and interactive features using Flutter widgets and material design guidelines. Utilize state management techniques like getText provider, block, or your port to manage application state and data flow effectively. Integrate RESTful APIs and third-party services seamlessly into Flutter applications. Conduct code reviews and provide constructive feedback to ensure code and quality maintainability. Collaborate with designers, product managers, and stakeholders to understand business requirements and translate them into technical solutions. Stay up to date with the latest Flutter updates, libraries, and best practices to drive innovation and efficiency. To excel in this position, they are looking for a few requirements. Minimum 3 years of professional experience in mobile development is preferred, but if you can show your exceptional skills and demonstrate your passion for Flutter development, you still have a great chance of being selected for this fantastic opportunity. Strong proficiency in Dart programming language and Flutter framework, extensive experience with different state management techniques in Flutter such as getText provider, block, or river port, solid understanding of mobile app architecture pattern like MVC, MBBM, or clean architecture, experience integrating RESTful APIs and work with JSON data, in-depth knowledge and practical experience in implementing socket-based communication and working with streams in Flutter, proficiency in version control systems such as Git, excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, with a good command of English language. And guess what? That's not all. They also provide incredible work environment, competitive compensation, and endless opportunity for personal and professional growth. So if you are ready to take your Flutter development skills to next level, this is the perfect chance. So how can you apply? I have given the link to this application in the video description. Click on that and you can directly come to this interface. This is a easy apply from LinkedIn. You can directly click on easy apply and your profile details will be taken from the LinkedIn and you can directly apply from it there. Thank you for tuning into Placements Nepal, where we bring you the latest job opportunities right at your fingertips. If you found this job description exciting, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing career opportunities. And as always, stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, happy job hunting.